What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods. I'm located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Another dope unboxing look for you guys today. Yeezy. We got the 700 Salt. So we've seen the Wave Runner, we've seen the Mob, we've seen the Static, but today we're talking about Salt. So scratch all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Standard box top for the Yeezy 700, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments. But let's get right out to these. Oh, kind of like these. So here we have the Yeezy 700 Salt. So as you guys can see right off the bat, this shoe is fully tonal, completely gray throughout the entire shoe. So you'll see the suede overlay right there in the front area, including the mesh underlay right there. Get to the outer panel. Once again, features the mesh, and I believe this is a 3M, the 3 stripes right under that mesh area. We've got the leather detailing right in the lace area. So the material story on the Wave Runner, as you guys probably already know, features a variety of different materials. Mesh in the tongue, tonal, salt or gray laces. Outer panel once again features the 3M hits right there towards the back panel. Fully salt gray midsole. Let's get to the back panel here. Once again, the mesh with the suede overlay. Inner panel, 3M hits. Midsole, fully tonal. Slight difference on the outsole. As you can see, this is like a much darker gray, kind of like a charcoal gray on the outsole with the exposed boost hits. So you guys know the 700 features the boost midsole outsole, much like the 350, but has the insole that we get to right here. Features the adidas Yeezy Ortholite right there on the insole. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Salt Yeezy 700. So we have all 4 of the 700 styles right here. We've got the Wave Runner, which is the first one. We've got, once again, the brand new one, the Salt. We've got the Mauve, Moab. I've been hearing people say different things, but I'm saying Mauve. And we've got the Static 700. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which 700 is your favorite? Are you leaning towards Wave Runner? Are you leaning towards Static? Leaning towards these new Salts? We've got all 4 and a variety of other Yeezy styles available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.